Hey guys, it's me Tay. Welcome back to my channel. So first off, let me say I apologize for the lighting. There's a couple clips where the sun was just really beaming into my son's room, and the rest of the video is really good. So I just wanted to welcome you back to my channel. In today's video I am cleaning and disinfecting my son's room. He had the flu and it got him down for a few days. He missed school for a few days and sat for the weekend and was quarantined because I did not want to pick it up. And y'all, knock on wood, I did not, so we are winning. I am disinfecting everything in his room. I'm using my Lysol Laundry Sanitizer to disinfect his bedding and everything that he's been touching so that there are no germs left anywhere lurking for anybody in our home to pick it up. So if you are interested, keep watching. And as y'all can see, this is a clean with us because this is his room, so he's cleaning up too. I didn't want his germs, so I was using a tissue to pick up all of his tissues and stuff. Y'all, want to tell you the cooties are real? The cooties are real. So he had tea and water and all kinds of stuff up here just to make him comfortable and help him get better. So now that he is over it, we are disinfecting everything. We're not going to talk about his nightstand. Y'all know I just keep closing it. At some point in my life, I'm going to dump it out and get it organized. But we're not at that point yet in my life. I just close the door and I don't come in his room that often. He takes care of cleaning his own room on a normal basis. But while he was sick, he just threw everything around, which I wasn't giving him a hard time because he had the flu. Alright, and y'all know it's the Clorox Wipes for the win, so we're going to go ahead and wipe down every surface that he would touch, so therefore no germs are lurking on the surfaces, because I think they can last for like 24 hours. And I just want to note that this did happen before the coronavirus outbreak here in the States, so it's nothing like that. We just didn't get to editing until a little bit late, but this was before the coronavirus, so he does not have that. It's just the flu. I wiped down the light switches as well, but I forgot to film that. Alright, so the last thing I need to do is make his bed. As you guys seen, I was able to sanitize his bedding with the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. I used the Clorox Wipes on all the hard surfaces, and I used the Lysol Air Sanitizer to just get everything else. So thanks for watching. Stay blessed, y'all. See you in the next one.